The dawn of a new era in automaking. The BMW i3 has been rolling off Leipzig's production lines since mid-September. It's a milestone in the company's history and a revolution in vehicle manufacturing, says Harald Kruger, member of the board of management.
The processes, the manufacturing facility and the manufacturing process are completely different. It only takes 50% of the manufacturing time than a standard BMW product.
A key innovation in BMW i Production lies in the use of carbon fiber fabrics. Creating a larger component involves combining several of these pre-cut, pre-formed blanks. They are then injected with resin under high pressure to make them extremely rigid. After that, the components are cut cleanly into shape by water jet. Creating the basic structure of a single passenger cell or life module takes about 150 such CFRP components. That's about 1/3 of the number needed to make a conventional car body from steel. Moreover, rather than being welded together, these components are bonded. Another specialty of BMW i vehicles is their outer skin. This is made almost entirely of plastic. Its components weigh about half as much as their sheet metal equivalents and offer corrosion-free surface protection. As the life module takes shape, the drive module is also assembled. Its drive system, chassis, and battery pack are put together. Finally, the two modules are united. Their marriage consists of the CFRP passenger cell being bonded to the aluminum chassis. With 4 screw fittings for greater stability, the vehicle now receives its final outer clothing, also made from plastic.
We had the ideas in 2006 and 2007 that we say we would like to be at the forefront of e-mobility and that we're going to build a purpose electric vehicle. And today we are proud because we made it. The first idea, the first sketches, and now it's serious production start today. And I'm proud on all the team members who have done an excellent job, on our suppliers, our supporters, that this has come true.
As well as vehicle production, BMW i is setting new standards in sustainability and energy efficiency. Its production methods use 70% less water than conventional manufacturing and half the amount of energy. The additional electricity needed for BMW i production in Leipzig is provided by 4 wind turbines.